Chet 327 right here in the backyard with the Poulan, and I just tagged the hood the other day. That looks good to me. Today's mission, it kind of squats in the back a little bit, and I got those small 20-inch tractor tires. I'm going to put the taller 26-inch ATV tires on. That's today's goal. Jack the back up a little bit, get a little more clearance, bigger tires, more speed. Oh, I also made a flag the other day. I was going to be in the parade, but I missed the parade. There is another parade coming up this Saturday. I might be in that parade. And then 2 Saturdays from today, I'm planning a river ride. I got some people coming in from South Florida. I got somebody coming down from Georgia. I might post this on the Facebook and see if I can get a bunch of people to show up. Well, a bunch. See how many people we can get to show up at the river. Anyway, today's mission, the bigger tires. What you see here, that's the 20-inch that's already on it. There's some 23s that came off the topless Nissan. And the one all the way far to the left, that's 26 inches. Those want to go on today. And those 2 wheels, they want to be drilled out and put on front of a Silver Bullet. Anyway, you are up to speed. Let's get to work. So right now, these are the 20-inch ag tires, tractor tires. I'm going away from that, going up to 26-inch. These are called Zillas by Maxxis. And I'm going to be using the Nissan wheels. The way it works, the Nissan wheels, whatever they are, these are from GoPowersports.com. 3/4 inch all the way through. It's got a keyway. And they're 4x4. They fit the Nissan wheels. So I'm going to pull off these tires, paint the wheels, put the other tires on, put the hubs on, put the lug nuts on. It's time for a ride. GoPowersports.com. 3/4 inch all the way through. Keyed. 4x4. And there's the lug nuts. So right here at the back of the poo, before we start, we are at about 6.5 inches ground clearance. We'll measure again afterwards. Remember that number, 6.5 inches. Should be what, 8 when we're finished? Maybe 9. And now I just got to clean it up and paint it. So I've got the Nissan wheel all cleaned up and ready to go. I'm almost tempted to leave it flat black, looks kind of like a NASCAR wheel. But I just bought a can of Gloss Gold Sunset, and that keeps a little bit of the Poland look to it. Plus, if I leave the back ones black, I'd have to paint the front ones black. I'm going to go with the Gloss Gold. While the custom orange peel wheel is drying, hang on a second. While wheel number 1 is drying, I put on the classic Sahara. That's about what it's going to look like. I just got to get the other tire on there. It looks almost like the 23 is just as tall as the 26. Maybe by the time we put some air in this one, it'll perk up a little bit. And if you're wondering about my flag, this is a driveway marker from the big box store. I took the back off of a safety vest, sewed it up into a triangle, made a flag out of it. Tire number 1 is on. It is aired up. It looks a whole lot different on the wheel with air in it. This one is square and wide. This one is tall and skinny. Anyway, that's what it's going to be looking like. Since the wheel's on backwards, I put the lug nuts on backwards. And if I didn't have a different project today, we'd had them both on riding. But I was working on the boy a man cave. He's moving out into the man cave. That's a whole different video though. Anyway, I love the look of it. It almost has kind of the same stance as the Moto now. Like tractor tires on the back, tall skinny tractor tires. And then tomorrow we'll try to get the other one on. Go try them out in the mud. And if you're wondering how these new hubs work, this is a 3/4 inch shaft. This is a 3/4 inch hole. Just slides right on. You can still put the same E-clip on. You can still put the same washer on. And then the key slides right in there. There is also an Allen bolt back here you can tighten up to keep it from moving in, moving out. And if you want to buy a little spacer to go behind it, let me get that measurement for you. So if we were to put on a washer in the E-clip, you would need a spacer about 3/4 by 3/4. That's easy to remember. 3/4 hole, 3/4 wide. That would do it. Colonel Craftsman has 25-inch tall executioners. These are 26-inch tall. Poulan officially has the tallest tires on the ranch. And so before we started, we had 6.5 inches of clearance. We are now looking at right at 10.5 inches. So we gained 4 inches of clearance. That'll come in handy. It's time to clean the mud out of the treads. I just hit a top speed of 28 miles per hour. Take my word for it. And I'm gonna wash this mud off before it dries. Here is the silver bullet, and the front tires leak. I hate those tires anyway, small turf tires. I've got some bigger 8-inch I want to put on here. I just got to paint the wheels and get them on. Both of them leak. But what I'm thinking on silver bullet, this LED right about there, I believe that would look cool. And I'm thinking about taking the bumper off of Zombies and putting it on here. Paint it just solid black, or maybe even red, I don't know. And it's got 2 LED pods on it. Oh, and right across the hood, Chut 327 in red, and maybe clear coat it. I like Silver Bullet. Silver Bullet needs a new carburetor. Silver Bullet's going to be on timeout since it's got carburetor issues and front tire issues. From here up, it's having issues in the back. Okay. Oh, the other day I popped a wheelie off camera. Didn't mess up the back at all, but it did land on the seat and it tore the cushion out of the plastic part. Not a big deal. Still sits good. The hood has been cleaned. The stencil is taped down. It's time to squirt on some paint. It is time to pull the stencil off and do the reveal, and I've got a chrome tip. That's one of the goals. Looks good to me. So I got the hood tag. I also tagged the trailer while I was at it, but then my stencil broke, so there's no tagging on the other fender. That's okay. I'll make up a new stencil. And I've got my flagpole in. I had to go in and make me some kind of orange flag for it now. I feel like it's mower update time. There's a lot of changes that you've not seen yet. This is the boy's Murray. He has lowered that front way down. Oh wait, no. Tires name on. Over here, this one I got a while back. It had a Oppie on it that was froze up. It now has a V-twin. That V-twin, it was from a Troy that we got originally. Then it was on the boys, I think he called it Blue Ghost. He gave me the Blue Ghost, so I took the engine off and put it on that mower. And then the other boy, White Henry, he's trying to get this one going. He's got to get that rusty pulley off. And I think he's going to take the engine off of the Murray and put on this. And in case you missed it, which you did, I didn't show you yet, I picked up 2 mowers today. Let me go show you those. Here are those 2 mowers. This shout out to Jared. One is a Craftsman. It's got the same engine that the Poulan has on it. Needs a carburetor. Not froze up and has compression. And the other is a wide body Murray LT. With small tire, big tire. I guess it's going around circles. Anyway, it has no engine, but it's got a really nice hood. I bet the boys can try to get this one from me. He likes Murrays. Got nice front tires if you like turf tires. Found a couple of mud tires in the engine. That'd be that'd be Murray number 4. So here on the Poulan, the hubs, I've really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching this video. And here's a sneak peek rear disc brakes on the Poulan, engaged by the blade height lever. Anyway, this is when you're riding, and you got parking brake. That video coming soon.